So I just got this. It's a 3-outlet outdoor yard stake. So basically what you do is you assemble this, you put all these together and you smush it in the ground, and you need an outlet to plug it into, and then you can put more stuff on it. So, you know, for Christmas is coming and you may be putting lights up. So let's take a look inside and see what we got. Here's, you know, it's basically like any other outdoor thing. You got these that cover it up so you don't get water in them. You follow me? And here's your plug here. It looks like it's got about 6 feet of cord on it. So let's set that down. And then it does come with the 2 spikes here. Let's set that over here for now. And so these basically just go like this, right? Or is it going here? Oh, maybe it goes like this. Okay, so this goes here, and then this goes in here. Yeah, so there we go. We got their spike. All right, we got this in there, and then bam. So this you could use, as I said, for your Christmas lights this year. So you might want to hang on to that. It does come with some directions. Let's just see what it says. All right, yeah. So anyway, you might want to read those before you start using the thing. I'm going to put it back in the box until we're ready to use it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you cool stuff like this. Peace out.